Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube fragrance channel. Today what we're gonna speak about, these two perfumes, guys. I'm gonna a little bit compare them as well from my short experience that I had. But first of all, welcome you guys to my channel. Thank you very much for being here together with me. I hope we're gonna have fun in this video, and I hope it's gonna be useful for you in some ways. So if we speak about those two perfumes, they, guys, are new to me. This particular perfume I just opened today, and let me tell you guys, this one was the love from the first sniff, but this one is not. So they are both from ARD AL ZAAFARAN. It's Middle Eastern brand, and they basically both had a lot of reviews on Amazon. For that reason, I was choosing perfumes to see which one would have a lot of reviews, so that means perhaps they are popular or perhaps nice, so I just kind of blindly went and bought them. And this one, it's not my love, but because it's new, I need to spend time with it. Let's talk about, for example, this perfume right now. I must tell you, let's open this perfume first. Let's appreciate the bottle as well, because they are all, those bottles are super nice, guys. So that would be bottle of the OUD 24 hours. It's by ARD AL ZAAFARAN, and it says that it's supposed to be dupe for Tom Ford Black Orchid, and also it said that it's supposed to be a very good dupe of that. So I never smelled orchid. Have you ever guys smelled orchid? I don't know, but I'm very happy. Some people say that they don't wear Black Orchid because it's too expensive, so they wear this one instead. So anyway, let's open the other one, the other particular perfume. So the other particular perfume, let's see, what's that expiry date in 2025? You know that when you open perfumes, basically you have to consume them, guys, like within 36 months or something like that. So anyway, Midnight Oud, I have here Midnight Oud, and then I have, guys, 24 hours. I must tell you that when I first sniffed 24 hours, it immediately kind of gave me as if there would be a little bit mixed from Midnight Oud, some kind of spices that felt familiar from this, but it was so little, and it was kind of made in such a delicate way that I really like this one from the first go. And this one felt not super nice to me, and let me explain you soon. But first, I would like very quickly, guys, because these perfumes are new to me, I would like to perhaps read for you those notes. Okay, so Midnight Oud is amber spicy. I don't feel any amber over here, actually. Spicy for women and man. Midnight Oud was launched in 2021. Top notes: oregano, pimento, bergamot. Middle notes: olibanum, amber, oppo, nux, lavandum. Base notes are wood, leather, sandalwood, and patchouli. When actually you smell it from the first time, like, I don't know. For me, guys, it was feeling. Let me kind of tell you first those other type of notes. First of all, let me tell you this type of notes as well. Let me tell you this. So 24 hours. It's gonna be ARD AL ZAAFARAN as well. It's amber, again, amber fragrance. This one I could feel more amber than Midnight Oud. It's for man and for woman. Top notes: chocolate, I can feel it. Mandarin, orange, bergamot. Middle notes: fruit notes. Spicy notes: gardenia, ylang-ylang, jasmine, patchouli, agarwood, sandalwood, incense, and amber. So these would be kind of the notes. As you can see, guys, it's not kind of like it's not kind of like explaining too much, isn't it? Let's talk about this perfume. When I smelled it, for the first time, I was feeling this type of, like Indian type of kitchen, like those yellow spices, like a lot of yellow spices, like could be coumarin, they're like mixed with some kind of cardamom. I was cooking one time potatoes. I added this like aniseed as well, and it gave me that kind of scent, as if a little bit similar to Midnight Oud. Let's say you mix in the food a lot of yellow spices with something else, and then you smell it, and that's what you feel, especially those yellow spices. So I wasn't sure how am I gonna go with this perfume. The only hope that I have is when I get reviews from other subscribers, and they say that oh, they say that perhaps you should try in the colder weather, there were some people that start to like it after trying it. And, I need to give it a go. Definitely, it's new perfume to me. And, it's not awful. There is something nice, but I think you really need to try to like this perfume. It's not a safe blind, but I wouldn't say so. It's a dupe for Interlude Man from Amouage, and actually they say it's a very good dupe. It says it's kind of very, very similar. So whoever likes, is there anyone who likes Interlude Man from Amouage? Let me know, guys. And also, I was wearing this perfume another day as well, and I was imagining, let's say, so how to like this perfume. So I was imagining while I was wearing, so perhaps if you dress up, in a nice way, and you spray 1 or 2 sprays of this perfume, and you walk perhaps in a cool air, and then maybe, what would be nice, just to layer it with something else as well, just to add some more interest, because what you get in this perfume is only those yellow spices, That's the problem. It's kind of missing something else for me. I don't know what. And so perhaps with layering with something else, then you can project some kind of nicer waves, Am I I don't know. Whoever likes this perfume must be on the next level, probably, must be, maybe I'm not there yet, so I have difficulty to like this perfume, but I don't lose hope. I think it's really possible to like this perfume. You just really need to try, and you just kind of need to experiment, finding your own way. Some people say that it's very nice to layer it with a sweet scent, that's what I'm going to do as well. So that will be my short type of impression. I think you should think about it, before you buy this perfume, definitely. The other perfume that I have, this one. So as I said before, when I sprayed it today, when I opened it, I felt something similar to me, like Midnight Oud. There, 10% of this one mixed together with something super nice. And then it made me feel very, very happy, because I really liked it, I really like this particular perfume, guys. As I said before, or I haven't said, I let this perfume to smell to another person, and they say it's kind of too strong, But for me, it doesn't seem like it. There is something delicate type of mixture of spice. Let me just spray it again, There's delicate type of mixture of spices, and something else there that is very nice. There's chocolate in here as well. Some very delicate, guys. Very nice. It's very, very, very nice, guys. Very interesting. If you would like to have an interesting fragrance, go with it. I wouldn't say that this fragrance is sexy fragrance. When everybody's looking for those sexy fragrances there, I don't know about this one. But it's definitely very interesting perfume. When you walk throughout your day, if you spray this perfume might possibly make you feel happy, because of those interesting waves that you might get, It's definitely on the unisex line, guys. It's men. I can see men and women wearing it, Especially men. I can see wearing men as well. It's nothing. I don't have, guys, any similar perfume to this one, apart from I see 10% of Midnight Oud in this one. I cannot see anything similar to any Boss or Armani fragrances. I don't have anything similar to that, and I really like this perfume. I think I will be using this perfume pretty much anytime. Even if I let's say go to work or anything, I will be definitely hitting this perfume. This perfume is sophisticated delicacy. It's not a fresh perfume at all, But that mixture of spices is just a perfection. Perfection. That's what I could say, guys, to you. I think pretty much we reached the end of this type of, this type of comparison. Which one you should buy, guys? I would definitely recommend you 100% buy this one. I think there is more likelihood in this perfume, more versatility, more happiness perhaps in this perfume. And this one, the bottle is cute, but it's so mysterious that actually I think you might need to layer this perfume with something else, with with some sweetness, I will definitely do this. It takes some effort to like this perfume, I think, but you know, if you are courageous and if you are an adventurous person, you might find that effort in you in order to like this perfume, you know. So that would be it, my type of two beautiful perfume comparison. I will come back to you very soon, guys. Like this video so we can meet each other again, and have a great day, everyone.